Today we're testing if Walter Wright's, the so-called AI humanizer, can really bypass Turnitin. And then we'll compare it with Plagirazor. To start, I asked ChatGPT to write me a short essay about Bali. Nothing fancy, just a normal AI-generated essay like any student might use. I copied that text and pasted it into a Word file so we can test it step by step. Now let's run this essay through Walter Wright's. According to them, this tool can take any AI content and magically make it human. So I paste the essay inside, click rewrite, and here's the result. Walter Wright's proudly tells me the text is now 100% human. It even shows claims like, this text shows no AI pattern on Turnitin, GPT-0, Proofademic, and other detectors. Sounds impressive, right? On paper, this looks like the perfect fix for students. But let's not take their word for it. Let's test it with the only thing that really matters, Turnitin. I replaced the essay in my Word file with the Walter Wright's humanized version, saved it, and then uploaded that file to Turnitin. And here's the actual report. Turnitin didn't just flag it a little, it flagged it completely. 100% detected as AI. So much for being human. Good job, Walter. Now let's move to Plagirazor. This time I'll take that same exact Walter Wright's file, the one that Turnitin marked as 100% AI, and process it with Plagirazor. The process is simple. Go to the website, upload your file, hit process, and within a few seconds the processed version is ready to download. Now let's test the Plagirazor processed file with Turnitin. Remember, this is still the same essay that Walter Wright's failed with earlier. Uploading, generating the report. And here's the result. First, the Similarity report shows 0%. And on the AI detection side, it also shows 0% AI. From 100% flagged, all the way down to completely clean. That's the difference. Walter Wright's made big promises but got exposed the moment we tested it. Plagiarizor actually works instantly, and without changing a single word. So if you're serious about beating Turnitin, don't waste your time on fake rewriting tools. Try Plagiarizor. Plagiarizor is free right now, and you can use it unlimited. We even provide free Turnitin and AI reports as a launch offer. Try it now and see the results for yourself.